The Health Ministry MOH is investigating reports of a former minister and his deputy who have been exposed to the COVID-19 infection. The duo were said to have been in close contact with a patient who is the 26th confirmed case in the country. Health Director General Dr. Nur Hisham Abdullah said this in a statement today after the reports were widely circulated on social media. He revealed that the 26th COVID-19 positive case was reported on March 1st, and the patient, who was being treated and monitored at the isolation ward of Sungai Buloh Hospital, is in stable condition. He added 5 close contacts, who are family members, a special assistant to the 26th case, and a private healthcare official, have tested negative for COVID-19. He also said the ministry is still in the midst of investigation and contact tracing. Meanwhile, the former minister from Bersatu, currently under self-quarantine at home, confirmed to Bernama earlier that he tested negative to the disease. It has been widely reported on social media since yesterday that the former minister and his deputy have been in close contact with not just the 26th COVID-19 patient, but also with others, including media personnel, raising concerns that they too may be required to undergo health screenings. According to the reports, it was believed that the 2 individuals were former Entrepreneur Development Minister Datuk Sri Muhammad Rizwan Yusof and his deputy, Datuk Dr. Hatta Ramli. The ministry also confirmed that no new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in Malaysia as of today, and the cumulative number of cases remains at 29. Now, UDA Holdings Berhad has confirmed that one of its board members has tested positive for COVID-19. Following this, UDA is now taking precautionary measures to identify individuals that had close contact with the affected individual and is also working with the Health Ministry on the matter. The statement added that preventive measures have also been tightened at UDA headquarters and its subsidiaries such as Angkasa Hotel, Kuala Lumpur. So far, no COVID-19 cases have been reported at the hotel involving in-house guests. Overseas, Indonesian President Joko Widodo has announced that 2 Indonesians have tested positive for the COVID-19 after being in contact with an infected Japanese national, and the 2 cases were the first to be reported in the world's 4th most populous country. The Indonesian government, however, said that it is well prepared to handle the epidemic. It was reported that a 64-year-old woman and her 31-year-old daughter had contracted the virus from the Japanese national who lived in Malaysia and had tested positive after returning from a trip to Indonesia. The revelation came after a medical team in the country traced the movements of the Japanese visitor before uncovering the cases. They now remain hospitalized in Jakarta. Indonesia has over 100 hospitals with isolation rooms with good isolation standards as well as equipment that meets international standards. Medical experts have raised concerns of a lack of vigilance and a risk of undetected cases in the Southeast Asian country of more than 260 million people.